key technological milestones from 1993 to 2025. 2025, key devices and technological advances. The 1990s, 1993 to 1999. 1993, first smartphone IBM Simon, touchscreen basic apps. 1994, Sony releases PlayStation 1. First USB storage device. 1997, Sony introduces the first home robot, Ebo. 1998, Google is launched, revolutionizing web search. 1999, first commercial Wi-Fi networks become available. The 2000s, 2000, 2009. 2000, rise of mobile phones, including the Nokia 3310. 2001, Apple introduces the first iPod. 2003, Skype launches, making internet-based communication popular. 2004, Facebook is founded, changing social media forever. 2005, YouTube is introduced. 2007, Apple launches the first iPhone, redefining smartphones. 2008, first Android phone, HTC Dream, is released. 2009, early deployment of 4G networks. The 2010s, 2010 to 2019. 2010, Apple launches the first iPad. 2011, virtual assistants like Siri debut. 2012, Tesla Model S is introduced, advancing electric vehicles. 2013, Google Glass is released but fails commercially. 2015, Apple launches the Apple Watch. 2016, AI-powered assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant gain popularity. 2017, facial recognition becomes mainstream with iPhone 10. Introduction of 5G networks. The 2020s, 2020, 2025. 2020, remote work booms due to COVID-19. 2021, Apple introduces M1 chips, improving computing efficiency. 22, advancements in Metaverse and virtual reality. Rise of generative AI models like ChatGPT. 2024, foldable phones and buttonless smart devices become more common. 2025, improved battery technology and 3D printing innovations in medicine.